Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about healthy family meal ideas. A nutritious and delicious meal is the foundation of a healthy family life. And with a little creativity, we can make great food fun and enjoyable for everyone. First, let's start with a classic breakfast option omelets. They are versatile, can be filled with a variety of ingredients, and are a great source of protein. To make them healthier, try adding spinach, mushrooms, or bell peppers to the eggs. Next up, we have grilled chicken. It's a lean protein source and easy to grill at home. To make it even healthier, try marinating the chicken in olive oil, lemon juice, and herbs before grilling. For lunch or dinner, we recommend baked salmon. It's an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, essential for brain development and heart health. Plus, baking it ensures that the salmon remains tender and moist. Add some asparagus, carrots, or bell peppers for added color and nutrients. When it comes to snacks, fruit and veggies reign supreme. They are high in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them perfect for families. Try cutting up fruits and veggies into fun shapes and sizes for a more engaging experience. Lastly, let's not forget about rice and pasta. These grains are rich in gluten, which helps to bind the food together and provide a satisfying texture. When cooking rice or pasta, try adding a colorful mix of vegetables and lean proteins for added nutrition. In conclusion, healthy family meal ideas don't have to be boring or complicated. By incorporating colorful fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, we can create delicious and nutritious meals that everyone will enjoy. So, get cooking and make healthy family meals a priority.